Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best stamped jewelry kit is probably one of the most fun and creative ways to make personalized accessories. This kit allows you to create unique necklaces, bracelets, and more with custom stamped messages and designs. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a complete beginner, this kit offers a fantastic opportunity to express your creativity and make beautiful, meaningful jewelry that you can wear or gift to loved ones. Number 5. STMT DIY Personalized Stamped Jewelry Kit. Create jewelry that reflects your unique style. This kit allows you to personalize necklaces, keychains, and charms with your own words and phrases. It's a fun way to express yourself and add a personal touch to your accessories. Discover the art of metal stamping with easy-to-follow instructions. The premium tools provided in this kit make it simple to create custom pieces. You can even teach your friends and make friendship jewelry together. The jewelry you create is perfect for gifting. Friends and family will love the personalized touch. Host a jewelry making party and create one-of-a-kind pieces together. Feel like a professional as you create 8 pieces with special meaning. Experiment with words and phrases to match any outfit. You can even add beads to make bracelets, necklaces, and more. You are a true jewelry designer. The kit includes metal letter stamps, a hammer, a steel bench block, pliers, tape, a marker, stamping blanks, earring findings, cord ends, jump rings, a leather cord, and easy instructions. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This kit lets you create unique, personalized jewelry. It's a great way to learn the art of metal stamping. If you're looking for a fun and creative gift for friends or family, this is perfect. It allows you to make custom pieces that they'll cherish. What people say. This has pretty much everything you need to try out metal stamping and worked great. I have used the stamps and accessories in the kit and it all worked out great. They loved it. They immediately started making trinkets on Christmas Day. Number 4. Stainless Steel Jewelry Chains DIY Kit. This kit is perfect for creating your own necklaces, bracelets, and more. It includes 12 rolls of stainless steel chains, jump rings, lobster clasps, and connectors. With this kit, you can easily design and craft beautiful jewelry. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes various sizes of jump rings and lobster clasps. This comprehensive set allows you to create a wide variety of jewelry designs. Explore your creativity with 12 different chain styles. These chains are ideal for necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and even body jewelry. The variety allows you to personalize your creations. Made from durable stainless steel, the chains are strong and resistant to corrosion. They won't fade or discolor, ensuring your jewelry lasts. This material ensures longevity and a professional finish. Each chain style is rolled on a reel to prevent tangling. After use, simply wrap the chain around the reel for easy storage. This convenient design makes the DIY process more enjoyable. Each chain is carefully made from 304 stainless steel. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are committed to providing high-quality service. What we like. This product provides a variety of stainless steel chains for your jewelry projects. The chains are durable and resistant to corrosion. If you're looking to expand your jewelry making capabilities with different chain styles, you should consider this. It's perfect for creating necklaces, bracelets, and more. What people say. Perfect amount for learning. Strong, beautiful designs and convenient to work with. Such great quality. I am surprised at how strong these chains actually are. I assumed that they were cheaply made, and I was wrong. They are a great value for a pretty sturdy set of chains. Number 3. Juvale Metal Stamping Hammer, Precise Crafting. This Juvale hammer offers unparalleled precision. Its dual-sided design enhances efficiency during intricate jewelry making and metal stamping. The jewelry hammer combines a grooved grip with a dual-sided head, ensuring maximum force dispersion. It's ideal for leather stamping and woodworking. Featuring an ergonomic handle, this hammer allows for extended use without discomfort. It's perfect for metalwork and fits easily into any toolbox. Measuring 6.3 by 4 by 1.25 inches, this metal craft tool is designed for easy storage and quick access. It's essential for on-the-go jewelry making and leather crafting projects. Enhance your collection with this reliable metal hammer. It's suitable for both seasoned artisans and beginners. Its robust construction ensures durability for diverse tasks. What we like. This metal stamping hammer offers precision and control for your projects. Its dual-sided design enhances efficiency. If you're looking for a comfortable and efficient tool for metal stamping, you should consider this. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced artisans. What people say. Made very well. Strong. Works great, it's a hammer. Perfect heft and configuration, shorter handle, for fine metal work. Great hammer for metal stamping for bracelets and rings. Number 2. Hicarer 30 PCS metal stamping blank tag pendants. These blank tag pendants are perfect for jewelry making and engraving. They provide a great surface for your unique designs. You can create personalized gifts or custom accessories with them. The set includes both rectangle bar charms and round name pendants. The rectangle bars measure 1.37 by 0.24 inches, and the round pendants are 0.47 inches in diameter. This variety allows you to explore different design possibilities. Made of durable brass, these pendants are built to last. The metal is easy to engrave, allowing for precise and detailed designs. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. These blank tags are ideal for adding names, dates, or special messages. It's a fantastic way to create unique and meaningful pieces. The possibilities are endless with these versatile pendants. Whether you're making necklaces, bracelets, or keychains, these pendants are a great addition. They are easy to attach to chains or cords. It's a simple way to add a personal touch to any jewelry project. What we like. This product provides a variety of metal stamping blanks for your jewelry projects. The blanks are durable and ideal for engraving. If you're looking to create personalized pendants and tags, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding a custom touch to your creations. What people say. They come in a nice little plastic bag and a plastic little box. They work perfectly for what I need them. These are a great quality, great colors, perfect thickness, and very functional using my Cricut Maker 3 for engraving. Easy to laser engrave. Number 1. Cousin Stamp and Go Metal Stamping Kit. This Stamp and Go kit is perfect for jewelry making and crafting. It's a fun and creative way to personalize pendants, tags, and more. With this kit, you can create unique pieces of art. The kit includes a tool and bits for the full alphabet, numbers 0 to 9, and the ampersand symbol. It provides all the essentials to get you started. You'll have everything you need to create custom designs. You can put your unique stamp on anything with this versatile kit. It's designed for metal stamping, allowing you to add a personal touch to various items. Let your imagination run wild. Made from quality materials, this kit ensures clean and clear imprints every time. The durable construction guarantees lasting results. You can be confident in the quality of your creations. The kit includes a convenient storage and carrying case. This makes it easy to keep everything organized and transport your tools. It's perfect for crafters on the go. What we like. This kit includes all the letters, numbers, and symbols you need for custom stamping. The materials are of high quality, ensuring clean imprints. If you like a comprehensive kit with convenient storage, this is the one. It's perfect for creating personalized jewelry and art. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started. The stamps are easy to use and create clear impressions. The variety of stamps allows for a lot of creativity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.